Hi dear friends, how are you all? Welcome to YouTube channel HR Tutorials India. In this video, we'll be discussing what are the benefits of ESI. What are the benefits of ESI? The Employee State Insurance Corporation scheme provides members financial protection in case of an ultimately health-related eventuality. The scheme offers medical benefits, disability benefits, maternity benefits, unemployment allowance, etc. The contribution made by employer-employee funds these benefits. As we already discussed in our previous video that ESI is a financial protection to the employees which offers medical, disablement, maternity and unemployment benefits, and the contribution is made by both employer and employee for these benefits. A registered employee is entitled to full medical care during the period of their incapacity and their restoration of health and working capacity. The scheme provides financial aid to compensate for the loss of wages during the period of employee's absenteeism from work due to sickness, injury, due to employment, pregnancy and hospitalisation in any ESI hospital. An employee who is registered under ESI is entitled for full medical care during the period of incapacity and restoration of health and working capacity. This scheme provides financial aid to compensate for the loss of wages during the period when the employee is absent from work due to injury of employment or sickness or pregnancy or during hospitalization in any ESI hospital. Key features and benefits of ESI. There are a number of attractive features and benefits that are offered by ESI, Employee State Insurance Corporation. This ESI not only provides medical benefits but also financial security in times of financial hardship like unemployment, etc. Now let us see few of the benefits of ESI. Medical benefits, disability benefits, maternity benefit, sickness benefit, unemployment allowance, and finally dependence benefit. Let us now discuss in detail about each benefit of ESI. Medical benefits of ESI. Medical benefits. The Employee State Insurance Corporation takes care of an individual's medical expenses by providing reasonable medical care. This cover comes into effect from day one of the individual's employment. Full medical care is provided to an insured person and his family members from the day he enters the insurance employment. There is no ceiling on expenditure on the treatment of an insured person or his family member. Medical care is also provided to retired and permanently disabled insured persons and their spouse on payment of a token annual premium of ₹120. Medical benefit is effective from the day one of an employee joins the company who is covered under ESI benefit. The medical care is not only given to the insured person but also to his complete family members. And there is no ceiling for expenditure on treatment of an insured person or the family member. This medical care is also provided to people who are retired and permanently disabled insured person and their spouse on payment of a token of ₹120 per annum. Disability benefits of ESI. Disability benefit. In case an employee is disabled, ESI ensures that the employee is paid their monthly wages for the period of the injury in case of a temporary disablement or for the remainder of the employee's life in case of a permanent disablement. ESI provides monthly wages for the employee who is injured in case of temporary disablement, and at the same time it pays for the remainder of the employee's life in case of a permanent disablement. Let us now see what is temporary disablement and permanent disablement. Temporary disablement benefit. From day one of the entering insurable employment or irrespective of having paid any contribution in case of employment injury, temporary benefit at the rate of 90% of the wages payable as long as the disability continues. So, in temporary disablement benefit, if an employee is injured and he is considered to be temporarily disabled, then the ESI department pays about 90% of the wage till the insured person recovers or as long as the disablement continues. Permanent disablement benefit. The benefit is paid at the rate of 90% of the wage in the form of monthly payment depending upon the extent of loss of earning capacity as certified by medical board. Even in permanent disablement benefit, 90% of the wage is paid to the insured person who is permanently disabled. This is decided depending upon the certification from the medical board. Maternity benefits of ESI. Maternity benefit. ESI helps an employee welcome their baby to a household which has been showered with benefits. ESI provides a total of 100% of the average daily wages for a period of 26 weeks from the time of going into labor, which is extendable by further 1 month on medical advice at the rate of full wage subject to contribution for 70 days in the preceding 2 contribution periods. Maternity benefit also covers 6 weeks in case of miscarriage. 12 weeks of pay is provided in case of an abortion. In maternity benefit, employee is provided with 100% of daily wage for a period of 26 weeks from the time of going into labor. And this is further extended for one more month on medical advice at the rate of full wage, and this is subjected for 70 days in the preceding 2 contribution periods. And in maternity benefit, there is a benefit which covers 6 weeks in case of miscarriage, and 12 weeks of pay is also provided in case of abortion. Sickness benefits of ESI. Sickness benefit. ESI ensures that there is a flow of cash coming into the employer's household during medical leave, and the cash compensation is at the rate of 70% of the wages is payable to the insured workers during the periods of certified sickness of a maximum of 91 days in a year. In order to qualify for sickness benefit, the insured worker is required to contribute for 78 days in a contribution period of 6 months. Which means ESI provides a sickness benefit at the rate of 70% of the wages payable to the insured person during the period of certified sickness for a maximum of 91 days in a year. But in order to qualify this sickness benefit, the insured person is required to contribute at least 78 days in a contribution period of 6 months. Extended sickness benefit. Sickness benefit extendable up to 2 years in case of 34 malignant and long-term disease as an enhanced rate of 80% of wages. In extended sickness benefit, about 80% of the wages is paid to the employee by further extending the sickness benefit to 2 years in case of 34 malignant and long-term disease. Enhanced sickness benefit. Enhanced sickness benefit is equal to full wage is payable to insured person undergoing sterilization for 7 days or 14 days for male and female workers respectively. In enhanced sickness benefit, full wages are paid to the insured person undergoing sterilization for a period of 7 to 14 days for both male and female workers respectively. Unemployment benefits of ESI. Unemployment allowance. ESI provides a monthly cash allowance in case of permanent invalidity due to non-employment injury or due to voluntary loss of employment. ESI also provides a monthly cash allowance if in case employee involuntarily loses his job or employment, or in case of permanent invalidity due to non-employment injury. As per the unemployment scheme, the insured person is entitled to unemployment allowance subjected to 2 years of the insurable employment with 78 days contribution in each contribution period, and the unemployment allowance is payable for 24 months in his lifetime. In these 24 months, the allowances paid during the first 12 months is at the rate of 50% of the lost average daily wages, and thereafter from 13 to 24 months, the allowances are paid at the rate of 25%. Dependents benefits of ESI. Dependents benefit. In case employee meets with an untimely death due to an injury at the place of employment, ESI will provide monthly payments apportioned among the surviving dependents. Dependent benefits is paid at the rate of 90% of the wage in the form of monthly payment to the dependents of a deceased insured person in cases where death occurs due to employment injury or occupational hazards. Dependent benefit is a benefit which is provided to the dependents in case if the insured person ultimately die due to injury at the place of employment, wherein the dependents are eligible to be get paid at the rate of 90% of the wage in the form of monthly payments if the insured person's death occurs due to employment injury or occupational hazards. Other benefits of ESI. Confinement expenses. An insured woman or a insured person in respect of his wife is case confinement occurs at a place where necessary medical facilities under ESI scheme are not available. Funeral benefits. An amount of 15,000 is payable to the dependents or the person who performs last rites from the day one of the entering insurable employment. Physical rehabilitation. In case of physical disablement due to employment injury. Vocational rehabilitation. To permanently disabled insured person for undergoing VR training at VRS. Old age medical care. For insured person retiring on retaining the age of superannuation or under VRS or ERS, the person having to leave service due to permanent disability insured person and spouse on payment of rupees 120 per annum. So dear friends, in this video we have seen what are the different benefits from ESI. If you have any queries or questions related to this video, please do comment in the comment section. I'll be happy enough to answer all your queries. And if you like this video, please do subscribe and share among your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.